Hello, this is Dr. Sedat Yalçınkaya and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create PowerPoint presentation using ChatGPT. Although ChatGPT has already a function that can create PowerPoint presentations, it's available only for subscription users. And subscription for ChatGPT is $20 per month. It's still too much money for Turkey, so we're trying to get the best we can without a subscription. So this is my experience. The more detail you give to ChatGPT, the better results you get, and sometimes you need to try a couple times. So I started introducing myself and what I need from ChatGPT, which is a lecture, the first lecture for a course, academic writing. It is a course designed for second-year undergraduate students, and I got help from ChatGPT because I don't have a major in English. So I prepared the course schedule and I also share it with ChatGPT here. As you can see, it's a 15-week course. And today we're going to create a PowerPoint presentation for the first lecture. It is like a 2-session lecture. Each session is about 50 minutes. And the first lecture, the topic is introduction and deciding where to begin and planning the writing. After that, I told ChatGPT that I need 30 PowerPoint slides, and I entered the name, and I also wrote down a detail which I told it not to include other weeks and only create slides for the first week. Okay, and then this is what I got. So like slide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it goes on to slide 30. As you can see, this is just the an outline, so I need to provide more information. This is just a way for me, a starting point for me. So next, I asked ChatGPT to give me the content for each point in the outline. Okay, and the second draft, ChatGPT gave me a more detailed slides. Here, for example, for the second one, course overview, I only had in the first draft. Let's talk about this common challenges, slide 5. So it gives me an outline plus the content, like writer's block, disorganization, time management, and what they mean, and plus more information. This is good, but I think if I can have more information such as examples would be better. So let's first check this. Let's see this slide 5 with the first outline and this second draft with the contents. Okay, let's go up, slide 5. So this is the first draft. Here we go. So common challenges in writing. List common challenges students face when beginning to write. Discuss how proper planning can help overcome these challenges. Let's go down and see what content ChatGPT gave us for this slide 5. So challenges, writer's block, disorganization, time management, and it also gives us a solution. So it's not exactly what outline says, but it's very close and it's more useful. So in the next part, which will be the third draft, I asked ChatGPT to give me examples, okay? And in the third draft, it gives examples for each content. Let's go down to, for example, again, this slide 5. So writer's block, difficulty in starting to write. So it was there in the second draft, okay? Now, I also have an example for this content, which is a student staring at a blank page for hours because they don't know how to begin. And another example for the next content, it goes on. So for example here, the stages of writing, pre-writing, drafting, revising, editing, and publishing, and an example for each one. For the pre-writing, brainstorming, planning, and organizing ideas. An example for that is making a mind map of ideas before drafting an essay. So this is very good. Before I use this, I want to remove this content. It's on every slide, and the slide numbers, I don't want them. ChatGPT does not do always. I think it gives the slide numbers, but this content was not here when I did this in the past. So the next step is to refining your output. And now here is, would you remove the content line from all slides? I think I didn't do it at once. Slide numbers. Yeah, slides are still here, but you can add here, would you remove the content line and slide numbers from all slides, then you will see that slide one will be removed. Slide 1, slide 2. Okay, so next thing we will do, we're going to copy this. Do not use copy here, or you can use that too, one at the bottom, but please use and you will see that ChatGPT stops after, because it's a long task, it will stop and ask you, you want to continue rewriting. So, and you will choose that because it's stopped at slide number 12. And if you want to continue till slide number 30, choose this continue the task, and it will finish all slides. So once you are done, just copy all the slides, the final version. You can use the copy tool at the bottom of this prompt, or you can just highlight and copy. Then go to word.new, which opens a Word online document. I have a subscription for that, the university subscription. So I copy it here, everything. I paste it here, excuse me. And here, as you can see, this is like heading 3, and this is this is formatted. And the first line, this was also in heading 3, like this one. I changed it, so I just cut it and pasted it again and made it bold. So this first line will be the title presentation, okay? So once I put everything here, I go through each slide and I make changes. Sometimes it gives me unnecessary examples or some like the things that I don't like, I can remove them now. Once I'm done here, then I go here to editing. So no, excuse me, not here. I go to file, then export, and go to export PowerPoint. Let's do that. It gives me themes for the presentation. It's there are different themes, and a blank theme is always available here. You can click here to see more themes. Alright, once you choose it, it takes a couple of, not a minute, then it makes the PowerPoint with this new theme available, but you have to have a subscription to do that. Yeah, I'm going to cancel this because I already did it. So here it is. I'm still in online, like PowerPoint, and here this is the first slide. I added this name, my name, and the course name later. And in the home tab, you have this designer tab, which helps you to design each slide one by one. So let's go check it for the second one. And this comes with the theme. The theme you choose gives this different presentation templates. And for example, for the second slide, I can use this one of these slides. Let's choose this one, for example. Alright, so here it is. And then you can like continue one by one and change the slide design, right? Sometimes here like once it may not fit in one slide, and maybe you have two slides with the same topic, so you need to be careful with that. You can keep it in two slides, or you can combine it into one slide. This is one thing you need to be careful. And once you are done here and you want to do some editing on desktop, you can go here, editing, and hit to open in desktop. Then let's do that. It will ask you to open PowerPoint. Here it is. If you want to do more change on desktop, you can, and you can, for example, go to master slide. Then you can change the fonts. For example, for the heading, I will choose Arial Black, and for the body font, I will choose something more readable, like country. Where is it? Yeah, this one, the Century Gothic. So it works fine. Then once I close the master view, you will see that the font size is changed for all these slides. It's up to you which font size you're going to choose, and you can do further editing here. So this is one way. Another way is to here, I saved it earlier, use the blank theme, which is, let me show you here. When you move from Word, when you export it from Word to PowerPoint, you can choose this blank PowerPoint. So it takes, like I told you, it takes less than a minute to create the PowerPoint. Here it is. So this is completely blank. Again, you can go to Home tab. And to see the designer, you can use this designer tool here. For example, for this second slide, let's use this one. You can do the changes here, or you don't do anything. You just keep everything in blank and then save it. Like open it in desktop, PowerPoint desktop. Then do the changes. This is more manual. Here it is. Since I changed the second slide, it's here. So what we can do here, I did this one. So here, like, you need to do this bold captions one by one, or you can use the master slide. Well, let's go back here. For example, I want to go to View, then Slide Master. Here I would like to use the background styles, format background, and there I'm going to choose picture. Then I wanna so here I'm going to change the picture. I can go to stock images or online pictures. I'm going to go online. Then I will choose writing. So which one I use? That this one here. So I'm going to use this one, and then I can set up the properties for the background, such as the transparency. I'm going to make it 50% transparent. What else? I think nothing else. And I will hit apply to all. Once I do that, if I close the master view, you will see that ignore this second slide. All the slides got the same background. I can change the background for the title slide. I can go to insert, then pictures. Here I can use online picture. Again, like use writing. Which one I used? Not here. I think it was in the stock pictures. Let's try that one. Stock images. Writing. Yeah, here, this one. Alright, so this one will not fit into the page, so I'm going to make it fit here. the size. I will unlock the aspect ratio, then we'll just drag and drop. And again, for this one, I want to change the transparency. I think this is better. So, and then I need to send it back. Here, send to back. And maybe we can move it up a little more. Oops. And we can make this bold. It's up to you, the formatting, but it is done, so you can save it. Right. Well, thank you very much.